Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by diagnosing your current level with a timed 100-question mock. This tells you where to focus. Once done, prioritize grammar pillars, tenses, subject-verb agreement, articles, because they recur most. Make sure to read daily for 30 minutes. Editorials or short stories build speed and vocabulary simultaneously. Track errors in a notebook so you repeat only targeted practice. Start now with one mock and one focused grammar topic to create momentum. Now you move to focused practice and strategy. Alternate 20-minute error correction drills with 20-minute close or comprehension practice so you develop both accuracy and inference skills. Then, simulate sectional timing. Do 20 questions in 15 minutes to train speed under pressure. Review mistakes immediately to learn patterns. Meanwhile, add 10 active vocabulary items per day and use them in sentences. These steps sharpen exam habits and reduce careless errors. In the final phase, you convert practice into reliability. Take weekly full mocks and review each wrong answer within 48 hours so mistakes don't fossilize. Use spaced revision cycles, 1 week, 2 weeks, then a 3-day quick notes sweep, to keep concepts fresh. If progress stalls, troubleshoot by replacing one solo study block with a tutor session or peer review to expose hidden gaps. Make sure to simulate exam timing and environment in at least 2 full mocks before testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.